Reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you're moving, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up and I can't love myself now. I live like I own these lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. I just want to shout it out. Now what you did still colors me black. And it's gonna be like that. I feel so I made this point now. You don't look back. It's gonna be like I feel so that's what you did. That's what you did. Now what you did. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay? I want you to know I can never, never let you go. I want you. I want you. I want you to know I can never, never let you go. I want you. I want you. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. I want you to know I can never, never let you go. I want you. I want you. I want you to know I can never, never let you go. I want you. 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 What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name My tears